Our line item estimating tool is now here, offering comprehensive functions for all of your estimating needs. Before we jump into it, let's take a closer look at how we can structure and customize these line item templates. Start by navigating over to your admin panel. Click on Contract Settings, then Quote Invoice Template. From here, we'll click the New button and select Line Item Estimate Template. Then we'll give our template a title, decide if it's for residential or commercial, determine who has access to this template, and then if it's active or not. Now we'll select what service types this template will be used for, then we'll scroll down. From here, you'll start to build your template out with all the products and services you'll be offering for this specific template. You'll also have the option to include signature required lines, perfect for bringing extra attention to things like shingle color. Additionally, you can include separators to format your template to your company's liking. Optional work can also be included in your templates now, perfect for offering your customers extra services like an upgraded shingle package or any additional services you may want to upsell. You also now have the ability to include warranties and attribute associated costs to them, ranging from flat rate, percent of contract, and per square. And finally, you can add a text line, include specific verbiage for this template, or leave it blank, perfect for adding a personalized touch that caters specifically to the customer's needs. Now that we've created our template, let's go back and associate quantity amounts, select the proper unit of measurement, include the cost per unit, and include the markup percentage, and then select if it's a taxable service. Make sure to complete this process for each individual line item. Once you're done, click Save and your customized template is now ready to go. Be sure to watch our next video to see how to put these templates into action.